Hello students, good evening to all. So we already know that your today's homework is take our expert book page number 47 in SB7. Take it quick. Okay students, take your social note also, listen my instruction carefully, read along with me, answer practice question 3.1, 3.3, 3.4 and 3.7. Okay students, so that list the small celestial bodies found in the solar system. Now students answer me, what is the small celestial bodies found in the solar system? Nice, it is the dwarf planets. Yeah, it was right. So you have to write dwarf planet is the small celestial bodies found in the solar systems. Okay. Write neatly. So that next question 3.3, state whether the following statements are true or false. Rewrite the false statements correctly. So students, do you understand the meaning of these questions? Nice. So you have to write whether the statement is true or a false, and you also rewrite the false statements correctly. Okay. So the moon has an atmosphere. It is right or wrong? Yes, it is a false because the moon has no atmosphere. Yeah, it was right. Okay students, then move to the next question. Planet Earth has 2 moons. It is false or true? Anybody? Nice. Planet Earth has only 1 moon. So it is false. Okay. Okay students, now listen. Next 3.4. Write it fast. Write quickly. Okay. So then move to the next question. Read along with me. Do a finger read. In the image given below, use the boxes to identify and label the parts of the comet and describe what each part is made up of. Okay. So you have to look at these images carefully and also label the parts. Okay. Label the parts of the comet. So this is a which part? Nice. It is a head. Okay. So you have to write carefully and also write neatly. And this is a tail. Head and tail. So then we move to the next question 3.7. Do a finger read. Read this question carefully. Identify the celestial bodies described in the statements given below. Write their names in the space provided. Okay. So A question. I am found beyond Neptune. I share my orbit with other celestial bodies. So which is the right answer here? Which planets share the orbit with other celestial bodies? Nice. It was definitely a dwarf planets. So you have to write in this box dwarf planets. So the next question B. I am a popular celestial body. Humans have landed on me. I have no atmosphere and I orbit around planet Earth. So can you guess what is this? Yes, it is definitely a moon because moon has no atmosphere. So then C question. I have a head and tail. My head is made up of ice and my tail is made up of gases. Excellent. It is comets. Then you can find me in the region between Mars and Jupiter. Which is the right answer here? You can find me in the region between Mars and Jupiter. Think and tell me. Let's think. Nice. So it is asteroids. So you have to write asteroids. Write neatly. Follow the cursive letters. Next E question. I am a small rocky object found in space. When I enter Earth atmosphere, I burn and get a new name. Think and tell me. Yes, we saw one video in our today's classroom. It was right. So the correct answer is yes, it is a meteoroids. So you have to write. Meteoroids. So, now listen my instruction carefully, students. Take page number 46 in SB 6 so that read the concept time. Read the concept time 3 on SB 6. Okay? Read carefully. Read the concept time 3 on SB 6. So, students, now listen. Your next homework is take your TN book. Take your TN book, page number 172. Take your social note also. Write today date. Write neatly. Answer question number G. Second question. Fifth question. And answer question number H. Only second question. Okay, students? So, this is your homework. Now, read the question. Pluto is no longer a planet. Reason out. Answer in brief, think and write. Okay? Pluto is no longer a planet. Yeah, it was right. Because Pluto's status as a planet has been converted to dwarf planet. Because it did not meet the 3 criteria of a full-size planet. Yeah, it was right. So, it has its orbit around the sun. And it has enough mass to become spherical in shape. Pluto does not meet the third requirement and thus has been termed as a dwarf planet. So like this you have to write the reason. So fifth question, which celestial bodies shares its orbit with others? Give an example. So which celestial body share its orbit with others? Yes, it is a dwarf planet. So you have to write examples also. Write neatly. Next, question number H, give reasons. Second question, do a finger read. Read along with me. The surface of the moon has many craters. You have to write the reason now. The craters are formed due to the meteoroids which fall on the moon's surface. Okay, ba? So this is the answer for this question. So thank you, students. Bye-bye. Happy learning.